Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitek video tutorial. Now for today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to test the voltage for your electricity using the Federalli multi meter. So in terms of the connector or the lead, so you have to ensure that black, so of course is negative, it is plugged into common, COM, and the red one, which is your positive, it should plug in where you have the V and the ohm sign right there. So that's how you actually connect the two leads right there. In terms of the setting, you have to ensure locate the V and that line underneath it, that wave line underneath it there, right there. Okay, then of course the leads now you're gonna actually insert them. So black one into the negative side there, red positive for the reading, right? So I should be getting about 110 there, about 19 in terms of the voltage. So as you can see, 103, right? So 103 I'm currently getting. So as of course it should be 110, but once other persons are on the system, then yours gonna basically drop. So that's how you actually use the Federalli multimeter to check the voltage in terms of your electricity that is coming from your power supply in terms of JPS, for example, here in Jamaica. So once again, guys, if you're new to the YouTube channel, of course you need to subscribe, because I will be definitely doing a lot of electrical installation videos. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, of course share the video. Thanks for viewing. Femitek is out of here.